followers, 10K followers, je veux faire ma première musique. Donc, après ma première musique, I will do more and more. Tomorrow you will complete 10K if you stay on live. Live! So you don't want me to go to sleep, you guys. So those people who speak English, I just say if I get 10K followers, I'm gonna drop my first French song. Je suis fuck you. Eh? Man, when Naomie, ndabakunda. We say if you follow me, si vous me suivez. Merci. Who is that? Maï,
Naomie, where is she?
Tu me connais pas.
I'm here.
Man, je te connais, no kunyini, like you're just not writing.
Basore muhagarike.
Basore muhagarike niggas.
Ashizeho amagambo mabi. Yeah.
Thank you. Eh, n'umuhungu.
Like man, hano hari inzi boringa.
So guys,
bari kumva indirimbo za foundation zose bageze kuri mama.
I love you guys. We love you too, Belize.
Can you tell her to sing? Hari umuntu umwe yatubwiye ati ngo yahaze kumva turirimba ati ngo The Queen.
Okay guys.
Hari The King n'uragiye na The Queen.
The Queen yakoze muri gala.
Ninde?
The Queen nago ngushiraho. Nako ngushiraho.
Queen Benita. Ngiki? Jya kuri kamera basi murebe uranyibuka basi Benita mwiganye Kacyiru. Igo ndakwibuka wararashe imbogo ivuga ati ngo yaragiye Benita wari ugiye kuvuga ngo ndabyibuka like yarafite nanjye vuga n'umusheri wari ufite akongera umunwa we like yaragiye kuvuga ngo titulaire wa LFK nyine ni level yitwa LFK like avuga ngo titulaire wa LFK numviyo Benita ndakwibuka shehe ndagukumbuye baba umeze gute be my friend we have your friend please read my comments wanditse igitabo uyu muntu ndagukumbuye ndanagukunda shehe Benita wanjye man ishamani nese uzadusura ryari baba ndagukumbuye Naomie uri mwiza pe thank you
Ntago bakoresha.
Yuko I love you guys man hari igihe nsoma comment rero nkarira way
Just look at this.
vuge ngo hi Cynthia how are you doing well
Yeah.
kwa kane bikira inzozi wacanye lighter
Malaika.
ejo mu gitondo kare
One.
okay Benita
Isn't it?
reka nkubera amaso nawe umbera imboni God bless you this
Guys, bazanga it. No, you lie.
kwirira
Tell me what the name of the song. Which song? I miss you, Sunshine, on the stage. Sunshine, hi. So, guys, remember what I just told you. If you're seeing this live and you don't follow me, you can just start following me and get to the 10K and drop my song. Guys, mukaye kangiye kubiposting mutagira ngo ndi kubabeshya. I swear. Wela ni karutwo rugiye se ubundi ubu. Tuzakora na dance ryari ntabwo mbizi. Kuri ya ndirimbo ya Call Me. Oya, ndirimbo like my own song. Can you say hi, Ornella? Hi, Ornella. Can you make a dance with you? With you? Ubwo send me 10K. Oh yeah, 10K followers barutwe wose ubundi ujya wumva. Why are you showing us a list? Guys, I love you guys so much. Sunshine, if you want to know French, call me. I do know French, like, nuko maze imyaka nayivuga. Yeah. But, Naila, you're the one that I talk to. Mutuye he. Tuye mu Rwanda. I Kigali. Love, Sunshine. Say I love you, Lanika. I hate you, Lanika. Oh, I love you, baby. I love you. Not, hey, I love you, Lanika, baby. Hey, guys. Como dusubiza. Uri hehe ndi mu rugo, guys. Sunshine, can you tell me, please, what I need to come? At the foundation, I would sing for us. Me singing for you. If you want me to sing for you guys, give me some kisses. Nigakanga Nigawan is. I really like you guys. I love you so much. Ariko Fite 7 years. What is that? Do you think I'm 7 years old? Like never. You look like my sister. Oh. Niho mubase. Tuba hano henshi, guys. Ese ufite imyaka ingahe? Old enough. Lorraine, hey Sunshine, hi. Naomie, sing one verse on only one. Naomie, she's going to eat. So when she come back, I must tell her. Imani. Sing for us. Guys, if you want me to sing for you, give me some kisses. Give me some kisses. Sunshine, Weee. What's your favorite verse in the Bible? When God was like creating everything from the first day from the first day creating earth and heaven. I love that. Sing for us. Which song? French or English? Do you love hip hop? No, I don't like. My love for you is like a melody. Oh, my love for you is like a melody. Ha! When are you coming to Canada? Because I want to meet you. Meet me. When is your birthday? 10 August. Looks like you're horny. The key says take it and sing French. Ririmba je m'appelle. English. Sing only one. Njyewe ko nasubije. English, okay. So guys, you want me to sing English and others want to sing French. So let me do both. Like French, I love that Drew. First of all, guys, let me just tell you. Oh, he was like my brother. He was born in 10 August. Me too. So French, I love. Aujourd'hui, je suis fatiguée. Je t'ai regardé dormir. Si ma voix peut t'apaiser, je chanterai pour toi toute la. Aujourd'hui, je suis fatiguée. Je t'ai regardé dormir. Et si ma voix peut t'apaiser, je chanterai pour toi toute la nuit. J'ai tout tenté à tes bingos, t'as dit, je peux plus passer de lui. Tout va glisser sous ta peau, c'est comme si je te passais de lui. Les cils ne sont pas noirs, c'est tant pis pour eux. Les cils sont jaloux.